You're not defective. You're not exhausted. You're not trapped in place. What you're missing is structure in those first critical hours. And that gap, it's stealing your tomorrow. Every morning arrives with the same question echoing in your head. Why am I drained before anything even begins? Why can't I concentrate? Why does the life I want seem impossibly distant? The answer isn't what you think. It's not about who you are, it's about what you do when you open your eyes. Each sunrise presents a fork in the road. One path constructs your destiny. The other keeps you running in circles. I'm about to reveal 5 practices that will reshape everything. Master your mornings, and suddenly, life stops being a constant battle. First, choose one wake-up time and never negotiate. Forget the 4 a.m. obsession. What matters is consistency. Same time, every single day. This isn't a sleep schedule, it's a declaration of self-mastery. When you command your wake-up, you command yourself. Your alarm becomes your proving ground, and the morning you conquer it, resistance crumbles. A controlled morning isn't just how you start, it's how you finish. Second, keep your phone locked away for 60 minutes. This is where 9 out of 10 people sabotage themselves before they're even dressed. Your hand reaches, the screen lights up, endless content floods in. Within minutes, your mental energy is scattered, your focus fragmented. Then you wonder why everything feels uphill. The rule: 1 full hour. No exceptions. Make your bed first. Hydrate. Step into natural light. These small victories set the tone for everything that follows. Claim that first hour, and you've already claimed the entire day. Third, get your body moving immediately. Most mornings you do the exact opposite. You stay motionless. You consume content. You shut your system down before it even starts. Then you question why everything feels heavy and foggy. Movement isn't about getting fit, it's about getting activated. 10 push-ups, a brief stretch, a full session. It doesn't matter. The instant you move, everything changes. Endorphins release. Blood flows. Your mind sharpens. Want mental clarity? Move. Want real energy? Move. Want to actually feel present? Move. Stillness is decay. Movement generates momentum. The world's top performers don't overthink. They move first. Strategize second. Fourth, start with protein, not sugar. Most people fuel up on carbs and crash before lunch, then blame their focus. Here's what they miss. Sugar spikes you. Protein stabilizes you. It balances your blood sugar, delivers lasting fuel, keeps hunger at bay, sharpens cognition. Greek yogurt, a protein shake, hard-boiled eggs. Find what works. Feed yourself like you're valuable. Because when you eat like you matter, you start living like you matter. Fifth, tackle what scares you first. Most mornings get wasted on comfort, tasks, emails, messages. Busy. Work that creates the illusion of progress. But here's reality. Your willpower is finite. It's maxed out when you wake up. Every minor choice, every distraction, every scroll depletes it. So strike early. Hit your biggest, most intimidating task before checking anything else, before meetings, before your mind starts negotiating. Do the thing you're avoiding. The uncomfortable thing. The thing that actually creates forward motion. This is the builder's code.